Hello, friends. So the 2008 Buick Lucerne is back. So the inside is not in that bad of condition, and I actually have already done this front minus the vacuuming, but I did the wiping down. Oh, we need to do something about that. Oh yeah, that's right. I didn't do all of that because I forgot I didn't do the door jambs and stuff because my dad was working on the door panels and stuff. So anyway, this vehicle is not in that bad a shape. I think the cup holders and the trunk are the worst. Now, this is nothing more than getting everything straightened up. And I might see if I can drop down that seat over there and maybe wipe that off, but we'll see how it goes. And this is no different than the front, or the driver's side was. This is all dirty. You can see it's all icky, but we'll get it cleaned up. Get the vacuuming done. And like I said, these cup holders need to be dealt with. And this, but we'll get it. I'll get some stuff in it and loosen it all up. Get it cleaned up. We need to clean this seat. That's pretty icky. Alrighty, friends. I have the car running. I had to roll the windows up and all that, but it is done and I'm taking it back. We got her all cleaned up. It's looking much better. I got those looking a lot better. I still say white does not belong on interiors. I need to do this little edge here. Other than that, this is done. Alrighty, friends. The Buick Lucerne is done inside and out. Remember when I did this correction, I did a rinseless wash on it. The inside was what we need to take care of now. So it's all done. It's 106 degrees outside and it feels like 111. And me and her are going home. Have a wonderful one, everybody. Hit that subscribe button. And until the next one, we'll see you later.